Google Chrome in 2025. Hidden powers, smart shortcuts, and essential life hacks. In 2025, Google Chrome remains the world's most used browser, but it's not just the speed or syncing that makes it so powerful. Beneath its familiar interface lie features, shortcuts, and productivity tools that are often overlooked but can completely transform the browsing experience. Whether ye be working, studying, or casually surfing the web, mastering these hidden powers can save time, boost efficiency, and even protect your digital well-being. Here are the most relevant and trending Chrome life hacks that ye can use right now, especially suited for content creators, freelancers, and everyday users. Let's start with something simple but game-changing: the Chrome side panel. Introduced quietly and refined in recent updates, this feature allows users to split the browser vertically, enabling simultaneous navigation on two different sites. For podcast researchers, content writers, or students, this means being able to read a source article on one side and take notes on Google Keep, Notion, or Docs on the other. It's also perfect for comparing products, translating websites in real time, or referencing while writing. You can activate the side panel by right-clicking on any link and choosing Coupon in Side Panel. What's new in 2025 is the ability to pin tabs permanently into this panel and group them by context, making multitasking smoother and context switching far less jarring. Chrome's integration with Google Lens has also taken a leap forward. Now, without leaving your tab, you can right-click on a image and trigger Lens to identify objects, extract text, or even scan QR codes instantly. But the most exciting upgrade this year is AI-powered context suggestions.
When Lens identifies something on the page, Chrome can now auto-suggest related content, articles, videos, or even shopping links based on your browsing behavior. This be revolutionary for those creating visual podcasts or working with media-heavy content. For creators, this means quicker access to royalty-free images, real-time translation for foreign language screenshots, and even alt text generation for accessibility improvements. The next must-know tip in 2025 is all about Chrome Profiles 2.0. While profiles have existed for a while, Google has now refined them to support deep personalization. Each profile can now have custom extensions, app shortcuts, themes, and even notification settings. What this means for users: ye can maintain a profile just for podcast research, another for social media management, and another for personal browsing without overlap or clutter. But here's where it gets powerful. Chrome now allows profile-triggered automation. When you launch a specific profile, it can auto-launch selected tabs, silence other profiles, and even activate focus mode, a built-in feature that mutes notifications, blocks distracting sites, and logs your active time. This is especially useful for those who batch record or schedule content creation into their day. Finally, let's talk about Chrome extensions worth using in 2025. While the Chrome Web Store is saturated, Google has now implemented AI ranking, and standout tools are easier to discover. One major hit this year is Tab Organizer AI, which uses machine learning to auto-group your tabs by topic and priority. Another is Voice Control for Chrome, offering voice navigation not just for tab switching, but for interacting with websites, scrolling, and even filling forms. For podcasters and creators, these features are a productivity goldmine. There's also Quick Clip and Quote, a Chrome extension that allows you to select text on a web page and instantly create stylized quote images
ready for social sharing or YouTube thumbnails, perfect for turning research into visual gold quickly. These extensions make Chrome more than just a browser. They turn it into a workspace, an assistant, and a production tool all in one. As the web continues to evolve, Google Chrome is no longer just the window to it. It's becoming the control center. Mastering these life hacks doesn't just improve your experience, it changes how you work, create, and communicate online.